Hey guys, picked these chicken legs up from Walmart and some chicken thighs as well. It's got some legs and thighs in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and grill them both up. Okay, now I'm just gonna cover it all with salt and pepper. Okay, I like to grill it at about 350. And I do mine on the top shelf here. I got it stacked up for now because I ran out of room. That's how I do it. Okay, I like to make sure the chicken's at least 165 degrees. And I try not to take the temperature too close to the bone, but you might get a hotter reading, but I definitely take it off the grill to measure the temperature of it. So I want to make sure they're all at least 165 degrees. Ooh, look at that delicious chicken. Still steaming. That's gonna be good. It smells delicious.